Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of TheRealNesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's time for another unboxing video. We back on the scene, and this time I definitely got my best grandpa ever knife. That's right, it's box opening time. And today we are unboxing the Echo Dot by Amazon. Amazon Echo Dot. Add Alexa to any room. Basically, this is Alexa. You know we have the other one, so now we have an Echo Dot. And I got this as part of a little package that I bought. I bought another Ring doorbell camera and actually got this for free. So make sure you guys check it out. It is the holidays. You might can find it still for free. Alexa, you know, you can play today's hot hits, call your mom, what's the weather, control all your smart sensors. Is a voice control, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, has an audio line out, microphone on and off button. Add Alexa to any room. You can put this in any room, you guys. So, you know, make sure you definitely check it out. Most of you guys have this, but you get the Alexa Dot designed around your voice so it can recognize specific voices. You have voice control throughout your entire home. You can ask Alexa for a song or artist, a genre, so it can play anywhere in your house. Just put it there. You want to have smooth grooves, just say, hey, Alexa, play some R&B, you know, or something like that. It controls your smart home hands-free. Use your voice to control thousands of compatible devices. You can ask Alexa to turn on your lights, adjust your thermostat, lock your doors, find TV shows, and more. You got tons of things that you can integrate into this. You can, if you got Sirius, like we've got the Sirius in our car, so we can put the Sirius XM app on this. You know, Who, NPR, Spotify, smart things, all the smart things, control all of those devices. TP-Link, that's your internet type devices. Apple Music right here. So let's open this baby up and see what's cracking. Here we go, y'all. Watch this. Best grandpa knife ever. Oh, yes, sir. I like that. So let's roll this down. Ooh, nothing like a... Make sure you guys get the grandkids to give you a best grandpa knife. So let's open this baby up and see what we got. Let's do a little turn first. A little turn. Ooh. Open this baby up. Pop it open just like that. And after we open it up, ooh, I love the smell of newness. We pop this baby out. Look how small it is, you guys. There's my hand right there. There's two hands covered, and I don't have big hands. Just like that. It's got a little weight to it. I know it has a weight on it, but it's got a little weight to it. So inside here, what we're looking for is this is a 3rd generation Amazon Echo Dot, 3rd generation. So it should have this, a power adapter, and I guess some instructions. Yep, there we go. So there's the actual Echo Dot. Let me actually take this off so you guys can see it. They got this wrapped pretty crazy. Oh, okay, let me see. Huh, okay. Oh, you know what? Don't make me go get the grandpa knife. There it is. Ah, there we go. So you can see it a little better. See that? Ooh. So right here. So I think this whole thing is a speaker. So yeah, there's the jack for the power right there. Here's your power button, your plus, your minus. It's real nice. Barcode right there. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Not too much. Here's your instruction manual right here, of course. The Echo Dot, things to try, things to do. Inside here, same old thing. It shows you the plug. So right here on the back, right there, you have your auxiliary audio input. So if you wanna get some more audio devices on there, and there's your power input right there. This right here, oh, it is a ring light. So this light around the edge, this little area right around the edge lights up. I think it's usually blue. I don't know where it can change colors. I have to take a look at that. You have a little circle here. The little circle right here is the action button. And of course you have the minus button. The minus button is for volume down. Right here is for the microphone off. So if you don't want it to be listening to everything you say, you just hit that and you can turn the actual microphone off. Plus button is volume up. So volume up, volume down. Right here you got the the action button. This takes you to different menus, and that's to turn the voice off. It's got a little sticky thing. So look, I can't just slide it. It's like a little pad, like the things you see in the garage, like a little pad. So it doesn't slide. So it's not slippery. So there's that. Let's come in here. Next, we'll see. Here's the power plug right here, 15.0 W. Power plug comes here. Same regular wall charger, and then you just bring that around here, and you just plug that up right there, and then you plug that baby up. So let's see if you guys can see that. I cut the light off. I cut my little light off. If you guys can see that, it lights up blue, just like that. And then after that, basically you just go through the little setup process and set that baby up. No noise. I don't hear any noise or anything. And like I said, I can hit this. So now when you hit that red button, now you see it's not listening to anything I say. But then I guess, you go through the process of programming it to your actual... Oh, you hear that? I just heard something.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Ah, you hear that? Just follow the instructions in your Alexa. What I'm going to do, let's see. I'm going to go to my Alexa app on my phone. Here we go, you guys. I'm on my Alexa app now. I'm going to set this baby up. Okay. Okay, see, I got different things. So what I'm going to do, Alexa, set up new device.
To set up your device, go to the device setup section of the Alexa app.
Okay, thank you very much. Devices. Got it. Let me try to come around. I guess I could come this way so you guys can see. Okay. Echo and Alexa. Echo. This is an Echo Dot 3rd generation. So Echo show Alexa on this phone. Echo show Alexa on this phone.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Oh. No. Here you go. Add device. Amazon Echo. Echo Smart Speed. Is your Echo plugged in and in setup mode? I guess it's in Echo. Yep. Yes. Setup mode. Turn on Bluetooth. Okay. I've got to turn Bluetooth on my phone. Available devices, Echo Dot, searching for Wi-Fi. So right now you guys, you see it's searching for the Wi-Fi. Get this, go ahead and buy it. It's real affordable. Click on the link below. Get that thing from Amazon. But for now, this video is a wrap. I'm going to see you guys on the next unboxing video. Have a good one. Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes, sir.